Have you ever munched on a potato chip and wondered how does a humble potato become such a delicious crunch? Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the secret life of your favorite snack. Get ready for a behind-the-scenes tour of a potato chip factory, where passion meets precision, and every chip tells a story. Imagine the cool, dewy morning as dedicated farmers set out to harvest these golden treasures. After carefully nurturing the crop for 3 or 4 months, the potato plants signal its time by letting their leaves fade and wilt. With a blend of traditional know-how and modern techniques, each potato is gently dug from the soil with precision and care. This careful handling ensures that every single tuber remains unbruised and bursting with potential, ready to be transformed into the perfect crunch you love. Once these prime potatoes have been harvested, their next adventure begins, loading them onto trucks. They make the journey from earthy fields to a gleaming modern factory. This transition is more than just a change of scenery. It's where age-old farming traditions meet cutting-edge technology. Every potato's journey is a story of care, from the farmer's hands to the marvels of industrial processing. Every great chip starts with a potato. When these freshly harvested beauties roll into the factory, they don't just jump onto the production line. Each potato is scrutinized for size, texture, and starch content. Only the best gets the green light. This rigorous quality control ensures that every chip produced is crisp and consistent. Once approved, it's time for a wash. The potatoes hit an ultra-modern cleaning station where powerful jets and rotating brushes wash away dirt and impurities. Then in a flash, high-tech peeling machines strip off the skin and leaving behind only the best part of the potato, ready to be transformed into a snack sensation. Next comes the artistry of slicing. These freshly peeled potatoes are fed into precision slicers that cut them into thin, uniform slices. The right thickness is crucial for that perfect crunch. Whether you love a classic round or a fun ridge design, every slice is engineered to deliver a satisfying bite every time. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for, the frying stage. Our potato slices dive into enormous fryers full of hot bubbling oil. The temperature is carefully controlled so that each chip fries to a gorgeous golden perfection. It's a high-speed ballet of heat and timing, ensuring that every chip emerges crispy, light, and full of flavor. But a chip isn't complete without its zing of flavor. After frying, the chips get a generous shower of seasoning. Whether it's a classic salt sprinkle, a smoky barbecue blend, or an adventurous new flavor, the seasoning is applied so evenly that every single chip bursts with taste a flavor explosion waiting to happen in every bite. Finally, it's time for the grand finale, packaging. After cooling down, the chips are whisked into sophisticated packaging machines where they're sealed in the bags. Some packages even receive a nitrogen fill to keep the chips extra fresh and crunchy until they reach your snack drawer. Every packet is meticulously inspected, ensuring that only the best make it to you. And there you have it. From the early morning hustle on the farm to the high-tech magic in the factory, every potato chip tells a story of passion, precision, and innovation. Do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned.